This is a hypnotherapy process for relief from chronic pain. Now, pain is actually a necessary part of our health system in our bodies. If we were to touch a hot pot, we would want that pain signal to get the message to move our hand away. However, we may be in a situation where we're receiving the pain message. It's chronic. We have the message and we don't need that pain anymore. So this is a process to help you relieve of that unnecessary, useless pain. So a couple questions to ask yourself before we move through this process. Is this pain of any use to you in any way? Is it giving you a message that you need to be reminded of? Say you hurt your hand in some way, the pain might be useful to not grab something or play racquetball or tennis or something. So that would be useful pain. So is this pain of any use to you in any way? Is the pain serving a useful purpose? To ask it another way, in a few minutes when that pain is gone, will that be detrimental to you in any way? All right. So this is, again, going to be a deeply relaxing process. So again, don't listen to this while you're driving or when you need to focus on an activity, whether that's cooking or watching kids, something like that. Find a nice, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed for the next 20, 25 minutes. A comfortable place you can be where you can relax your whole body, like a recliner or a couch or your bed, or on the floor if that's comfortable for you, whether on a futon or a yoga mat. And so just allow yourself to be comfortable. Be comfortable where you are and cross your hands, legs, and feet. Place your hands and feet separately. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, allow your eyes to close. Become aware of the muscles around your eyes. Allow those muscles to relax. And they relax so completely, they just won't work. As if they're glued shut. When you realize that your eyes are so relaxed they just won't work, you can test them and find that they're too relaxed to open. Now send that relaxation throughout your whole body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Every muscle, nerve, and fiber relaxed, calm, and comfortable. And you find that nothing bothers you, nothing affects you, nothing disturbs you. Imagine drifting deeper and deeper now into relaxation. And my voice is drifting with you now. Everything I say becomes your reality now. Every suggestion you hear, you act upon and carry out. Every healing suggestion becomes your reality. Become aware of your breathing. Inhaling and exhaling slowly and gently. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, imagine that you're drifting up out of your body. Just leaving your body in that chair for a while. Imagine that's happening now. Imagine you're just drifting away from your body, drifting up and up, farther and farther. Imagine you're drifting up out of your body and leaving your body in that chair where you're lying down. Imagine you're drifting higher and higher. Imagine you're drifting up higher and higher like a helium balloon that some child has let go of. Just drifting up higher and higher. Imagine you're drifting so high now that you can look down and you see that planet Earth below you. You see that beautiful blue planet below you. You see the whites of the clouds, the white tops of the mountains. You can see the greens of the forest, the blue of the ocean. And you picture that beautiful planet in your mind's eye, and notice as you picture that planet from way, way off, how your perspective changes. You can think about the 8 billion people on that planet, of which you are one. And notice as you think about that the things that had overwhelmed you no longer have any power over you. Things that had seemed hard to do no longer have any power over you. Now, in your mind's eye, between you and that planet, see a target, a massive target down below you, like an archery target. Picture it in your mind's eye. You see the rings of the target, maybe different colored rings. And you see the very center of that target, the bullseye. Now in the very center of that target is every ounce of all the useless, unnecessary physical and emotional pain and discomfort that you were experiencing. In the bullseye of that target is every ounce of that useless, unnecessary pain and discomfort you were experiencing. And in a moment, I'm going to make this sound, swoosh. And as I make that sound, you are going to be fired like an arrow, shot like an arrow, straight through the center of that target, straight out the other side in a split second. And I want you to be brave about this, because as you go through the center of that target, you may experience that emotional and physical pain even more intensely for a split second. But be brave about this, because this is the last time it's ever going to affect you. So get ready. As I make that sound, you're going to be fired out, shot out like an arrow, straight through that target, straight out the other side in a space of total bliss, comfort, and joy. Get ready and swish. And now you're on the other side, just drifting, floating in that space. Nothing bothers you, nothing affects you, nothing disturbs you at all. All that matters now is you, the sound of my voice, and the total freedom from that useless, unnecessary pain. As you float there in that wonderful space, bring into your imagination the people or animals in your life that you care about, that you feel compassion for, that you love. Bring into your imagination the people and animals in your life that care about you, that have compassion for you, that love you. See those faces, see their smiles, feel that deep love and caring and compassion right now. Feel that love right now like a warming, soothing sun. And now shrink that sun down to a warm, healing ball of light, as big as a golf ball. Reach out and grab it and pull that healing ball of light into the very core of your being. Feel that love. Feel that caring and compassion. Feel that gratitude. Feel that love hugging every cell of your body, every cell allowing that healing light into its structure. That healing light touches every particle, every fiber of your body, filling you up, lifting you up, feeling light and free, feeling it now. And become aware as you feel that light and that love flooding your body. Become aware as every ounce of that useless, unnecessary pain is dissipated from your body now. You cannot feel it, you cannot experience it. And now imagine drifting across to the other side of the room you're in, so you can see yourself sitting in that chair or lying there. You can see the clothes you are wearing, you can hear my voice. And you notice as you watch yourself from the other side of the room, you become aware of how every ounce of that useless, unnecessary pain is gone from your body, gone from your mind. You cannot feel it, you cannot experience it. The more you try to remember what it felt like, the further it goes away, fades away, drifts away, fades away, drifts away. And because you see yourself from the other side of the room, you become aware of how every ounce of that useless, unnecessary pain and discomfort is gone from your body now, gone from your mind now. You cannot feel it, you cannot experience it. The more you try to remember what it felt like, the further it goes away, fades away, drifts away, fades away, drifts away, fades away. And as you watch yourself sitting in that chair, notice every ounce of useless, unnecessary pain is now gone from your body, gone from your mind. You cannot feel it, you cannot experience it. The more you try to remember what it felt like, the further it goes away. So as you watch yourself sitting in that chair, notice how every ounce of useless, unnecessary pain is now gone from your body, gone from your mind. You cannot feel it, you cannot experience it. The more you try to remember what it felt like, the further it goes away, fades away, drifts away, fades away, drifts away, fades away, drifts away. And realize that your subconscious mind has made those changes now at a molecular, cellular, neuron level. And that will allow you to live in that freedom and peace forever. You are aware now that your subconscious mind has made those changes at a molecular, cellular, neuron level. And that will allow you to live in that freedom and peace forever. And only when your subconscious mind knows it has made those changes now and allows the conscious mind to accept the changes that have been made now, only then will you drift back over and drop down into your body, into that chair or where you're lying. Only then will your eyes be able to open, and you are unable to experience any of the useless, unnecessary pain and discomfort, living in freedom and joy, feeling free and at peace in every way. So go ahead, take your time only as quickly as the subconscious mind knows it has made those changes at a molecular, cellular, neuron level. And only after the conscious mind accepts that the changes have been made, only then will you drift back over to your body and drop back down into your body, into that chair. And only then will your eyes open and you are unable to experience any of that useless, unnecessary pain, living in true health and joy, feeling free and at peace in every way. Go ahead and take your time, do it thoroughly, and when you drop back down into that chair, you will open your eyes. And you move back into a state of total awareness, feeling brand new, feeling amazing and great, renewed, rejuvenated. Where's the pain gone now? Try to feel it and find that you cannot. The more you try to feel it, the further it goes away, drifts away, fades away, drifts away. This useless, unnecessary pain will never, never bother you again. Thank you for spending this time with me and doing this process. Pass it along to anyone else who you feel will benefit from this hypnotherapy process, this healing process. And again, contact me, Craig Meriwether, Arizona Integrative Hypnotherapy. If you have any questions about this process or any questions about hypnotherapy. Thank you so much. Have a great, beautiful day.